Yeah, yeah, yeah. Muscle cars, baby. Second hand pero brand new look. Affordable, reliable. Let's go, let's go. Yo.
So what's up mga boss? Andito ang ating bagong buyer ng ating pick-up. So ayan, say hi kay boss. Boss. So yun, transact natin ang kanyang payment. Ano pong payment niya, sir? Cash?
Aakas lang.
Okay. $50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay sir, done deal. Congrats.
Yun, no?
Congratulations, sir. So, sa'yo na tong ating pickup na Mazda BT50 2019. So, sold na para kay Sir Jason. Ayan, picture na tayo.
Picture.
Sa murang halaga pero premium dati hindi ka mag-aalala. Sa muscle
Sir, congrats.
Thank you.
Bagay na bagay sa'yo dyan, sir. Oh. Pang macho talaga, oh.
Macho talaga.
lahat ng customers namin win. Muscle cars. Mukhang bago, sure na stars. Affordable, reliable. Laging swabe, undeniable. Muscle cars, mura lang, mura monthly. Parang bago kahit second hand, trust me. Quality rides, affordable ang vibe. Muscle cars, let's go, tara na, let's drive. Muscle cars, mura lang, mura monthly. Parang bago kahit second hand, trust me. Quality rides, affordable.